We went to Glacier last summer and did some horseback riding on some big draft horses, and I started having groin pain after that, and I just chalked it up to, okay, you're on vacation and did too much, and it kept getting worse and worse. When the pain started affecting my quality of life, as far as I couldn't golf, I love to golf, bike riding and working out in the garden, I finally went in and had it x-rayed, and my personal physician had recommended Dr. Loafman. He was very nice to work with. He was straightforward and put the cards on the table and says, this is it, you've got severe arthritis, you're looking at surgery whenever you decide to do it. So I opted to try all the alternatives first, as far as the shots and things like that, and over-the-counter Advil. And then it kept getting progressively worse. So I said, let's do it, let's sign up for surgery. It was the best experience ever. And everything that Dr. Loafman and his nurse had said, everything was true. It's like, you're not gonna have any pain, you're gonna be able to do this, you're gonna forget you had a hip replacement. And it's just been 2 months now. And I do forget I had a hip replacement. I had surgery on Friday, and on Monday I was on the lawn tractor cutting grass. And then I drove the next day. So it was like unbelievable. Back to golfing, back to gardening, back to pretty much everything I've been doing with Lakeland and Dr. Loafman. It was just unbelievable. I mean, as far as the pain management, the care in the hospital, it was a really good experience for having a major surgery.